Cool Earth. Let's visit to Chicago O'Hare International Airport. This is Chicago International Airport. There is an accident last February 1, Saturday, from American Airlines collide with United TAG. Only the driver accident was injured. The passenger is safe. From American Airlines, passenger is safe. Only the driver of TAG. Same like in the ship is tugboat, so this is aircraft TAG. It was injured, so this is the Chicago. So as you see, Chicago. Chicago Bulls is here.